The innovative, high-performance Series Auto 30 tabletop sectionizer from Sunkist processes up to 30 pieces of fruit per minute with one-person operation. The HMI Touchscreen provides simple controls for start, stop, and reset, with integrated controls for self-calibrating. The rear access door and stainless steel design allows easy cleaning and maintenance, and is U.L Sanitation approved. Matching blade and plunger sets accommodate a variety of fruits and vegetables, allowing them to be sliced, wedged, or cored. The Auto 30 comes with one blade set of your choice. Emergency stop button, integrated bump stops, and built-in safety switch on the rear access panel ensure operator safety, and the unit can be stopped via the HMI Touchscreen. Blade and plunger sets can be easily changed out. The Auto 30 works right out of the crate and comes with a 1-year warranty. For more information, visit our website or contact us for a quote.